Janmashtami is not just a celebration of Krishna's birth but also an occasion for devotees to reaffirm their faith and devotion. The festival is marked by various age-old practices, including fasting, chanting, and singing hymns dedicated to Krishna. Devotees often observe a fast until midnight, the time of Krishna's birth, and then break it with a special meal after offering prayers and sweets to the deity. The spiritual essence of Janmashtami lies in the celebration of Krishna's teachings. The Bhagavad Gita, a sacred text also known as the Song of the Lord, was delivered by Krishna to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra more than 5,000 years ago. It provides profound insights into the nature of duty, righteousness, and devotion. Krishna's teachings emphasize the importance of performing one's duty selflessly, maintaining equanimity in success and failure, and surrendering to the divine will. Janmashtami serves as a reminder for devotees to imbibe these teachings in their lives and strive for spiritual growth. Janmashtami transcends mere festivities. It serves as a way to stay connected to our cultural roots and pass on our rich heritage to the younger generations. It is a profound reminder of the timeless teachings of Krishna, the embodiment of love, wisdom, and divine play. Krishna's birth symbolizes the victory of good over evil and the restoration of cosmic order. His life and teachings continue to inspire millions, offering timeless wisdom on living a righteous and devoted life. Krishna's incarnation as a divine being, who played, loved, and taught with equal fervor, underscores the profound and multifaceted nature of divinity. Janmashtami, the auspicious Hindu festival commemorating the birth of Krishna, is celebrated with fervor and devotion by millions of devotees worldwide. This year marks the 5251st birth anniversary of Krishna, highlighting the timeless and enduring significance of this divine birth. Falling on Ashtami, 8th day of the Krishna Paksh in the month of Bhadrapad, Janmashtami holds immense religious, cultural, and philosophical importance. It is a profound celebration of faith and joy. Krishna, the 8th avatar of Vishnu, was born in Mathura to Devaki and Vasudev. His birth marked the end of the cruel rule of his uncle, King Kans, who had imprisoned his parents and killed his siblings. The night of Krishna's birth was filled with miraculous events. The gates of the prison opened on their own, the guards fell into a deep sleep, and the Yamuna river parted to allow Vasudev to carry the newborn baby Krishna to safety in Gokul. These miracles signify divine intervention and the triumph of good over evil. The principle driving the Lord's appearance is to establish dharma and provide humanity with spiritual guidance. Dharma refers to a universally adaptable value system that directs individuals towards virtue, approximating God at the pinnacle of existence. Midnight represents the peak of darkness, and from the instant the Lord revealed himself, the darkness began to fade. In the same way, our hearts are shrouded in darkness, burdened by numerous anxieties and sorrows. Yet, in the darkest moments of our lives, when we seek the Lord and He enters our hearts, all the darkness retreats and the light of eternal hope begins to shine.